Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, with some species weighing less than a penny. Their feathers are iridescent, meaning they change color depending on the light and angle. Their long, slender beaks are specially adapted for reaching deep into flowers to extract nectar. There are over 360 species of hummingbirds, mostly found in the Americas. They molt their feathers regularly and grow new ones quickly to maintain peak flying efficiency. Some species can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. They are the only birds that can hover in place like a helicopter. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward with ease and can momentarily fly upside down to escape predators. They can reach speeds of 30 mph in normal flight and dive at speeds of 60 mph. Their metabolic rate is among the highest of any warm-blooded animal. To fuel their high metabolism, they eat every 10 to 15 minutes, consuming twice their body weight in nectar and insects daily. A hummingbird can digest food in less than 20 minutes, and their small bodies need a huge amount of oxygen, so they breathe rapidly. Their hearts can beat up to 1,200 times per minute during flight, but drops to around 50 beats per minute when they sleep. They take up to 250 breaths per minute while active and enter torpor, a hibernation-like state, at night to conserve energy. Their red blood cells allow for better oxygen absorption, which is essential for high-energy flight. Some species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate up to 3,000 miles yearly and can fly 500 miles non-stop across the Gulf of Mexico during migration. Hummingbirds return to the exact same feeders every year and use the sun, landmarks, and Earth's magnetic field to find their way. Some species live at high altitudes and can thrive in oxygen-thin environments. They remember where flowers and feeders are located, and even track bloom cycles. Hummingbirds can recognize people who regularly feed them and have demonstrated intelligence in solving puzzles for food. Their brain makes up 4.2% of their body weight, proportionally larger than humans. They quickly adapt to changes in their environment and food sources. In addition to nectar, they eat insects and spiders for protein. Their tongues flick up to 13 times per second to drink nectar, and their tongues have tiny, tube-like structures that trap nectar using capillary action. They are attracted to red and orange flowers, but can recognize other colors. They are highly territorial and will chase away other birds from their favorite food sources. They react to threats in a fraction of a second and aggressively defend their feeding areas from other birds. Some hummingbirds live up to 10 years despite their high-energy lifestyle. They use rapid, unpredictable flight patterns to escape predators and play a key role in plant reproduction as pollinators, especially for flowers that depend on them for pollination. Hummingbirds are truly nature's tiny marvels, combining beauty, intelligence, and agility into one of the most unique birds on Earth.